Why? Why is my face blue?
Finally! Pool day! I have been waiting all week.
Can we go now?
Please.
Please. Almost. Put on your sunscreen first, both of you.
I will put it on in 1 minute. I just want to see the water first.
This gives me an idea.
Blue face paint.
She will never notice the difference.
There. Looks just like the real thing. Perfect. Now I just wait.
Just act normal, Ethan.
Okay. Sunscreen time. This feels a little different today.
Do not laugh. Do not laugh yet. Okay, I am ready. Cannonball time.
Zoe, sweetheart, what happened to your face?
What do you mean? I just put on sunscreen. Here, sweetheart, look for yourself. Why? Why is my face blue? It worked.
Wow.
It actually worked. Oh! Ethan, you did this? That was so mean.
It was just a joke, Zoe. It is only paint. I looked silly in front of everyone. And I put it on my face without knowing.
Ethan, come here. We need to talk about this.
Let's make sure this washes off easily first.
It is coming off. But I am still upset.
Ethan, tricking someone with something on their skin is never okay, even as a joke. She trusted that bottle. I did not think about it that way. I just wanted to be funny.
Funny is great, buddy. But funny should never make someone feel tricked about something safe, like sunscreen.
You are right. I need to say sorry. Zoe, I am really sorry. That was not a fair joke. I should not have swapped your sunscreen. I know. Oh, you really scared me. What if it was not safe for my skin? You are right. I did not even think about that. I am really, really sorry.
Okay, I forgive you, but no more secret bottle swaps. Ever.
Deal. Real sunscreen only, forever. Pinky promised too.
Let's check the bottle together before you put anything on your face from now on, okay?
White sunscreen. Just how it should be.
Now that everyone is properly sunscreened, who is ready to actually swim?
Race you to the water.
Cannonball.
Look at them! all better already.
Kids bounce back fast, especially once the lesson actually lands.
That is for the blue face by the way.
Fair enough. One. I deserved that one. Next time, if you want to prank me, ask me first. Maybe I will even help you plan it. Really? That actually sounds like more fun anyway.
Zoe, deal. Team pranks, but only the safe and silly kind.
So, what did we learn from today's pool adventure?
Careful, it's hot. Pass it along.
Looks delicious.
Jokes are fun, but not when they trick someone about something on their skin.
And always check the bottle before you put something on your face.
Those might be the 2 best lessons from one single pool day.
Blue face paint. I still cannot believe that actually happened.
Best worst idea I ever had. So tell us honestly, has your brother or sister ever pranked you? Tell us in the comments.
Yeah,